A major fire broke out at a building adjacent to the FICCI Auditorium in Mandi House in the heart of Delhi. 40 fire tenders are at work currently to douse the fire. These pictures are of last night, where the fire was at its full blow at around 2 a.m. This morning. That is when the fire tenders were rushed to the spot. 40 fire tenders are at the moment at work trying to douse the fire. What we understand is that the fire has been partially doused, and those are the visuals that you're seeing of that building that's adjacent to the iconic FICCI building. This, remember, is the building which also houses the Natural Museum. The National Museum of Natural History is completely gutted in fire, is what we understand at this point in time. In fact, the National Museum is the place from where the fire triggered. We're still trying to confirm exactly what exactly was the reason behind that fire, but that has remained unconfirmed at this point in time. The Joint Commissioner of Police spoke to the media a few hours ago, and this is what he had to say.
52 मिनट में रात को यहाँ पर आग लगी हुई है। उसके बाद पुलिस भी यहाँ आई है और फायर ब्रिगेड की गाड़ियाँ हैं। अभी फायर ऑफिसर से जो बात हुई है, जो अभी तक 35 के आसपास गाड़ी यहाँ आई है और इस पे काम चल रहा है। डिटेल्स में जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन आएगा कि क्या इसका क्या कारण रहा है, उसके बाद ही हम आपको बताएंगे कि इसमें क्या कारण।
लगभग 1:30 बजे हम कन्नाट प्लेस में थे। सूचना मिली कि मंडी हाउस में एक बिल्डिंग है ऑडिटोरियम, उसके पास में आ गए। कुछ ही मिनटों में हम यहाँ पहुंच गए तो देखा एक बिल्डिंग है यहाँ पे जो म्यूजियम है, उसकी छत पर आग लगी हुई थी। और जब हम पहुंचे तो फायर भी नहीं आई थी तब तक। कुछ ही मिनटों में आग जो है बढ़ती चली गई और धीरे धीरे पूरी बिल्डिंग में आग फैल गई। 2 फायर ऑफिसर को प्रॉब्लम है, एक इंजर्ड हुए, कोई प्लास्टिक उनके हाथ में लगी हुई है और एक सफोकेशन में आ गए। दोनों अधिकारी आरएम शिफ्ट किए।
Sonal Mehrotra, in fact, has been tracking the situation since this morning. Sonal is at the location. Sonal, from what we can see on the visuals, it seems that the fire has been now partially doused. But what do the fire officials say about the situation?
Well, taking you straight to the latest update, Urvashi, first, what you see behind me are the FICCI officials right outside the building who are now trying to go inside to take a view of what exactly is the nature of loss that one has seen because of this massive fire which has been on from around 2 a.m. this morning. Now, just want for the clarity of the viewer, what you see here is the entire FICCI complex, and in this FICCI complex there are 3 buildings. Now, in these 3 buildings, there is a National Museum right in the center, which is now completely gutted. That's where the source of the fire started, and that's what is now, still under fire, and the authorities still trying to douse the source of the fire. Now, the FICCI Auditorium on my left and the FICCI Federation office on my right. These 2 buildings at this point are called safe. However, the FICCI Auditorium has seen slight damages. That's what the authorities are telling us at this point. Now, as we speak with you, the FICCI officials are here on the spot to try and go inside and take a view of the nature of loss. What we also told at this point is that, but they're not being allowed, quite frankly, at this point, because the fire is still, it's not safe to go inside. What you see on your screen right now, you're right, it's partially doused. When we came here in the morning, it was all up in flames, all the 6th floor of this building. But now, only smoke can be seen from inside. However, officials saying that from inside, since the fire started on the 6th floor and it collapsed and it went to the core of the building, there the fire has still not been doused off and it continues to burn, and that seems to be a source of concern for the authorities to try and douse that to ensure that the entire thing has been called over. They're calling it a cooling off period to ensure that the source of the fire is taken off and the entire building is called off safe. Until then, nobody's being allowed inside, and this road that we come to you from, this is the Tansin Marg, and this road which leads to Bengali Market has now been cordoned off, and and authorities are trying their best to ensure that before the office hours kick in, before everybody starts to come into offices which are all around this area here in the heart of the national capital here at Mandi House, this area is clear for traffic and called safe. But at this point, as we can tell you, massive damages, if That's what we're looking at this point. Can be assumed of the National Museum. Little to say that once that been the source of the fire, the entire building being gutted, there'll be very little that that can be salvaged out of the National Museum. And here, as we speak to you, FICCI officials are trying to get a clearance from the authorities to go and do a little recce to find out the nature of damage that has happened to the FICCI auditorium as well. Just to clarify, the FICCI building is right at the back, which is completely safe. The FICCI auditorium right behind this one is also safe. However, parts of it have been damaged. So far, when the fire took off, there was no loss of life there. There was nobody in the building at that point. However, 2 firefighters trying to contain the fire did see, injuries, and they've both been taken to RML hospital. However, they're said to be out of danger at this point. And fire officials at this point saying another couple of hours and they should be able to completely cool off the building and call this area free, but it's going to be quite a struggle even till then.
All right, the fire has been partially doused, although the fire officials are not calling the building entirely safe. Sonal Mehrotra, thanks for joining. And remember also, the roads, in fact, leading to that building that's nearing the India Gate have, in fact, been cordoned off. And in case you're traveling to those areas, keep that in mind. Sonal Mehrotra, thanks for joining in.